Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add web page shortcut icon to home screen on HAFURY GT20. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Inside, find the website that you want to add as a shortcut and make sure to enter it. So here's our own website, HardReset.Info, and what we need to do is to click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down a bit and click on Add to Home Screen. Now you can name this icon however you like. When it's ready, click on Add automatically. You can go back to your home screen and here's the icon. If you click on it, it instantly opens this website. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.